Well, good morning everybody. It's another new day. Gonna go run some errands before we get started on the next part of the Jeep project. In the last video I talked about I lost my flashlight. I'm pretty sure I mentioned I lost my keys too. They finally turned up in my shorts that went through the wash. They didn't come out, they stayed in the shorts, so I'm pretty happy. I was like hunting high and low for these keys. Good morning, Mr. Tomcats. Did you have a good hour outside? Hey buddy, you ready to go inside now? And are you ready? And are you? Oh yeah, chin scratches, there we go. 4 bags of bottles isn't much. Need some rubbers. Haven't had the old Ford started up in over a week. Hopefully get started on this timing early next week. It'd be alright, get it over with. Looking like another beautiful Saturday. 38 bucks and change, not too bad. Off to Home Depot. Get started on ripping out these axles. Now before I get started, of course when you do the inner axle seals on the Jeep TJ, there's a bunch of other DIY videos that you can go through the process. So I'll be doing a bunch of those, and those will be on my other channel, Jerry BS Corner. So if you're into the DIY videos, once again, this is just vlogging. Well, let's break in my new blocks and get this thing up on jack stands and start ripping apart that front axle. There's my new seals. Sooner we get this done, the sooner we move on to something else. Check this tire for the ball joints. Nothing major. Roll it and feel for the bearing. Feels good to me. Big question is, where did I put my special key for the wheel lock? Well, it's not inside there, that's for sure. Let's go to under my seat safe. That's probably... Oh. Well, I got my shackle. Oh, here it is. There we go, right here. The lock is thin walled, so I'm hoping it doesn't bust. What's my setting? The special one. She hasn't broken yet. Now this is so bizarre. The brake caliper bolts on this side are a 10mm socket, and the ones on the passenger side are 13mm. I can't remember if I damaged the ones and have to change them out or what the hell. Gonna need to have a closer look at this. There's an awful lot of metallic filing in there. Kind of concerns me a little bit. We'll see. It's time I ditch this dual shock setup. I don't need it anymore. Spray that down with some special WD-40. See if we can bust those free. See how seized they are. Actually, no. Really good, as a matter of fact. Well, that stabilizer's taken care of. I gotta bust that steering knuckle down. Except using a pickle fork's gonna damage that boot. I think I got some spares. What do you think the odds of that coming off without a fight are? Let's use the magic spray. I only got the gun on power number 1 because I don't want to damage it. There we go. Because last thing I want to do is have it start spinning. I'm actually going to tap it down flush and maybe hit it with a brass hammer. That was good. Brass hammer came in handy because it's softer than what the metal is, so I wouldn't have damaged it. I picked up some things today for the garage because you can never have too many tools. Picked up these long extensions because you know they're going to come in handy to do that seal. And I have a 3/8 torque wrench at home. I don't have a 1/2 inch. It's kind of a pain in the ass to keep taking the one from work, so I picked it up. And then I got these. I already have them, but they're only a couple dollars, and you know, you put enough strength on these and they'll snap, so I call them disposables. Now we're ready to remove the bolts for the bearing. There's 3 bolts that hold the bearing in place. Have you ever had one of those days where you need that one special tool? I believe it's a 13 mil 12 point, and you're pretty sure you know you got one at work because you took all your 12 points there, and you never thought to realize that you may need one here. Look at that. This could be the holy grail. Bingo. We're in business. Holy shit, I'm fucking losing it. I just had the 13 mil socket. Came over here. Do part of the video edit. Down over there. And now I don't know where the frig oh shit, there it is. Hey. Somewhere where I normally wouldn't look. I need to focus more, that's for sure. Ta-da! Well, so far upon inspection, everything seems to be looking alright. I really won't know until we get that differential out. I really want to have a look at those bearings. That'll sure tell me a sign what's going on, if anything, you know. The gears are wearing in. Gears will give you metal filings. I just a little concerned that that was a little bit much for my liking. I've seen worse, but it's not making any noise, so that's a good sign for now. Well, I accomplished a lot more than I thought I would today. Then it's cleaning up because I'm just going to need those tools tomorrow, so I'm going to head her inside, get ready for work, and we'll continue this tomorrow. Alright, it's motherfucking beer time. Brewhouse Pilsner. I was actually going to make this into one video, but when I was going over the footage, there's more than enough to make 2 videos out of this. Motherfucking beer time. Cheers. Hoping to have this done next couple days. It's kind of hard, hey, you know. You go to work 8 hours a day, then you come home and you like to rest for like a half hour to an hour, then come outside the garage for 2 to 3 hours and make something to eat, and then, you know, shower, and then all of a sudden, you know, it's bedtime and repeat, and it fucking burns you out quick. I am taking advantage of it right now because it's nice out when it's rainy out. I'll take a rest, try to push as hard as I can, because once winter comes again, the videos are going to drop off, because I had like 2 months of a buffer and I wore it down to like almost 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Yeah, because there was a lot of weeks I didn't do anything at all, and that's pretty much going to be the cause this winter. So I'm going to get going. Motherfucking beer time. If you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.